Hello everyone, this is Tony. I'm here to empower you. Welcome back to another episode of Living Your Best Life. I'm here as always on this journey with you, and today we've got something truly inspiring to dive into. We're talking about the roadmap of habits, 8 powerful life-changing practices you should adopt by age 40 to increase not just your lifespan, but your wellness span. These pearls of wisdom come straight from the Good News Network, and together, we'll uncover how these habits can help you live a healthier, fuller life. First up, let's tackle physical activity. You know what they say, a body in motion stays in motion. Whatever your preference, be it a jog in the park, a bicycle ride around town, or a sweaty workout at the gym, moving your body regularly helps keep your heart robust, your muscles toned, and your mind razor sharp. Gentlemen, there's no better time than now to prioritize fitness in your life. Let's conquer this together. Our second habit revolves around the fuel for our bodies, our diet. A balanced diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, does wonders for our health. These colorful plates can shield us from chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So next time you sit down to a meal, add that extra serving of greens or a side of fruit. Your body will appreciate it, trust me. Thirdly, let's talk about alcohol. Now, I'm not saying you can't enjoy a cold one with the guys, but moderation is the name of the game here. Overdoing alcohol can lead to a host of health issues, but a moderate amount, particularly wine, can have some heart benefits. Let's raise a glass to health and moderation. Fourth on the list, education. Knowledge truly is power, gentlemen. Higher education is linked to a longer, healthier life, possibly due to better access to healthcare, healthier lifestyles, and lower stress levels. So keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding your horizons. Next, we have a warrior's rest, sleep. Neglecting sleep can lead to heart disease, depression, and more. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep every night. Trust me, your body, mind, and spirit will thank you. Our sixth habit is maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity can significantly decrease our quality of life and put us at risk for diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Balance your diet, engage in regular exercise, and watch your body thank you with energy, vitality, and longevity. Seventh is a big one, gentlemen. Say a firm no to tobacco. It's a silent assassin, leading to preventable diseases and premature death. Let's make a pact right here, right now, to steer clear of tobacco in all its forms. Finally, never underestimate the power of a good squad. Strong social connections are vital. Loneliness can be just as damaging to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. So call up your buddies, plan that family barbecue, join a club or society. Let's ensure we keep that human connection alive and well. And that's it, my friends. Our 8 habits for a longer, healthier, happier life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and every day hereafter. Join us next time for more guidance on living your best life. Until then, here's to you, strong, resilient, unstoppable. Take care, gentlemen, and remember, you've got this. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, this is Tony, signing off.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.